My name's Tracy Bennett and I am an account manager here at Radiators. While doing the Women in Manufacturing Network program, I found it was good to get together with other women, discuss and talk about some of the challenges that we face and realise that we're actually sharing a lot of the same experiences. I got involved because the role that I'm in now is fairly new to me, so I said, yeah, definitely I'll be in for that. Some of the skills that I've learnt from the program that have helped me in my role, I'm a lot more confident in meeting with customers and doing presentation and getting the background work and asking questions where I don't know information and going and finding and going to the right people. If you're thinking of doing the Geelong Women in Manufacturing program, don't hesitate, just do it.